I've tested over 15 LED devices, masks, panels, wands, you name it. For the past few years, my rotation had been narrowed down to 2 full systems, one from Maysama and one from Currentbody. Both sets have a mask for the face and one for the neck and chest. And I use both of these in constant rotation. Well, I used to. Now I only use one. Now, getting into my rotation at all is pretty hard, but getting me down to just one is a different level altogether. Now, the Currentbody set had the most comfortable fit of anything I owned. Plus, it has more LED lights than just about everything out there. So these were huge winners. The Prana set by Maysama won me over because of the pulse light technology and the ability to isolate red or near infrared on their own. And that can really matter to people with melasma. Plus, it also has variable time sessions, and the controller displayed useful information like battery level. That was really a game changer for me. So this is not a case of my old devices being bad. I mean, I loved them both, but rather something came along that did what both of them did, but better. So this is Maysama's new duo called the Aura, and it has completely taken over. The face mask and the matching neck to deck piece is the ultimate head to heart combo. So both of my old sets have officially been dethroned. Let's get into why. Now first, let's talk about the specs. So this mask is made with a 3D contour silicone, which is totally unique. It has 155 dual core LEDs, and it contains the pulse light technology. It has 3 different wavelengths: red, near infrared, red only, and near infrared only. It's wireless, it has a 2-year warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let me tell you, the fit on this is outrageously good. I can't explain it. And the inside, it's actually soft to the touch, which is really quite different from every other mask I have. They all have this sort of hard feel to it. I am telling you, it hugs every part of my face. And that's exactly what you want, because you want those LED bulbs as close to your skin as physically possible. Plus, the adjustable chin strap means it's fully customizable to your face shape. It's not just a one-size compromise. And that area is also covered in LEDs, which is great for that potentially flabby area. Some of you may know what I mean. So it means it's getting that attention too. And then the double to single strap that goes around the head is so solid. There is no slippage. This isn't going anywhere. It just feels like a big hug. Now, while the lips on this mask are not covered like the Prana, which I really like, by the way, the opening is large enough to breathe easily, but small enough to still get that LED coverage. Because I don't know about you, but I feel like those lip lines are coming right around the corner. And the neck to deck mask is just as good. Like, the chest coverage is huge. Just the way I like it. Now, I do have a really small neck, and that has historically proved quite difficult to fit with other masks. But because there's so much Velcro on this, I can sort of jerry-rig it around that I'm able to give myself a really nice, snug fit. I mean, it's just fantastic. So here's something that's really cool. Both of these masks charge magnetically. Like, there's no wire, no separate controller that you have to clip to a waistband. I may have dropped a few of those in the past. So charging and swapping between them is genuinely effortless. So this mask has 2 pieces. So one is the controller. This is where you turn it off and on, you select the wavelength and the session time. It automatically defaults to red plus near infrared for a 6-minute session. The other piece is the removable battery. It just pops off, you plug it into charge, and then it just pops back on. And the neck to deck has just one piece that acts as both the controller and the charger. Now, because they're cordless, I wear them doing actual life stuff. I fold the laundry, I do ironing, I sit here and work on my laptop. I mean, you name it, I have done it in this mask. The only thing I haven't done yet is wear it on the plane. Yet. He's saying, please don't do that, please don't do that. Another big plus is actually a small thing, but it totally made my day. I am not always great at reading instructions. So I didn't even realize there was a battery indicator on this device until I caught it in the mirror. And that was actually probably after my 7th or 8th use. It has 3 little lights on the charging disc itself. And once that goes from 3 to 2 to 1, I plug it back in. And by the way, it charges super quickly. It's funny how this little accidental discovery was like a little moment of delight. I was like, yay! Yay! So even though it's not a new idea, the Prana's charger showed the battery info as well. It's just the same idea, but it's just better. It's just better. Okay, so underneath all of this is Maysama's intelligent micropulsing technology, and this is in both of these masks. So why does pulsing matter at all, you might ask? Think of it as your skin cells breathing. Light on, the cell responds. Light off, it rests and absorbs. So continuous light, which most masks have, skip that rest phase. Eventually, the cell stops responding as well. That's, by the way, is why there is such thing as too much LED. You should always follow the manufacturer's instructions. But pulse light builds that recovery in. It also helps to absorb your product even better. Now, intelligent micropulsing goes a step further. It times those pulses to match our cell's own natural rhythm rather than some arbitrary on-off pattern. And then there's also something called smart dosing. So if you switch to red only or to infrared only, the light intensity naturally drops. So the treatment time auto extends to ensure that every session is within the right dose range, regardless of what mode you're on. I'm sure I would not have thought of that, by the way. And here's another thing you may not know about pulse technology. If you're someone who applies a serum before you LED, it's often recommended that you wait 20 minutes to allow those active ingredients to sink into your skin. With pulse light, you don't have to. Voila. As you know, I pair my LED with Maysama's Green Rooibos Pressed Serum. I have done this for years. And the short version of why is that red and near infrared light drive a lot of cellular activity, including a burst of free radicals as a byproduct. This serum helps to manage that. There's also research showing that the Maysama's Green Rooibos and LED actually make each other work better. The serum helps the light be more effective, and the light helps the serum absorb faster. So the results are up to 260% better. That is why I have been using this for years, and I use nothing else. So my aim is generally to use LED every day. Realistically, I get 5 or 6 times a week. So for me, I double cleanse my skin, I apply the serum, and then, because this is a pulse device, I mask immediately. And then my general skincare routine follows after. Now, if I'm doing laser or microneedling, then this I will do afterwards to help with recovery. So this device automatically defaults to a 6-minute session, though other options exist too. Now, I asked Bev, Maysama's owner, for her recommendation on session time, and she confirmed that a 6-minute red plus near infrared is the optimum session. So that's what I stick to. Funnily enough, I do get melasma in the summer, and I still use both the red and infrared together rather than just isolating one. And I can tell you it helps with my melasma. So this is not a results video. I'm not here to share before and after photos. I have not done an isolated controlled test on this device or any LED device in years. Like, I've done the reviews, I've put them through the paces, and I already buy into its effectiveness. Like, if I could only have one modality for the rest of my life, it would be this. I think everyone should have LED in their life. In fact, I've been bugging Gary for years. Are you gonna wear the mask one of these days?
No.
Now, I do tend to rotate several different devices, each with a specific job. And when you find the right tool for the right job, it just slots into your routine. It is like striking gold. This is one of those products. Now, before you ask, I don't do anything in clinic. No Botox, no fillers, no Sculptra, or anything else. I'm all about what works for me at home. So if I could only have one LED device, it would be this. The AURA Head to Heart Combo. Absolutely. Now on to costs. This mask is $575 US. Now for comparison, the Maysama Prana is $375, and I think the Currentbody is about $469. So AURA is the most expensive of the three, but personally, I think it could cost more for what it delivers. I have seen masks that cost a lot more. So the neck to deck is $375, and the head to heart combo both is $873. These were gifted to me, but I would buy them myself at full price tomorrow. I would use my own discount code, of course. So right now, my code will get you 15% off of any of these for 2 weeks. And after that, it will go to my standard 10%, which still makes a huge difference. Now, if you have either the Prana or the Currentbody Series 2, you do not need to buy these. Those masks are excellent. As I said, they have been my go-to for years. But if you're like me, you're really into new technologies, or if you're in the market for LED, this is for you. In my opinion, this is the Rolls-Royce of LED, and I freaking love it. All I can say is I do declare red light therapy has a new king in town. All hail the king. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you next week. Bye. And if you like this video, YouTube thinks you're going to like this next one.